Selamat sejahtera, Dr. Nick. I'm Ming Hui. My metric number is 151494. Today, I want to present an amazing invertebrate in the world. It is an ancient insect that can fly at ridiculous speed that we can't catch easily, and they can fly upside down, and also they can make a sharp 360-degree turn. So what's it? It is a giant dino with scientific name of Anax washinghamii. Giant dino is one of the most largest dragonflies that can be found in the world. Sometimes we also describe it as Parapitherian, as it derived from the common ancestor that exists since Carboniferous period, where the primitive wingless insect developed into winged insect with flexion muscle. So it is also known as a hemi-metabolous insect. This means that its life stage starts with eggs, followed by nymph, and finally become a mature adult. It is completely a carnivorous predator where both nymph and the adults hunt in other insects. They usually distributed in Central American and North American. We can identify a giant dino by only looking at its morphological characteristics. So first of all, it has a green color head, blue and greenish compound eye that touch each other. As I mentioned just now, it is a carnivorous predator, so it has a biting, chewing mouth part. Next, we'll look at the thorax. The thorax has the same color with head, which is the green color, two parts of membranous wing with structural vein. Finally, the giant dinos have very obvious stripe on the abdomen, where we can observe a metallic blue on its black abdomen, and it makes more the 2/3 of its body. This means that the abdomen part is the largest part of its body. IUCN Red List is a list that comprises of global conservation status of all biological species in the world. However, this giant dino is IUCN status is the least concerned with no intermediate threats to its survival. This means that no biological enemy that can cause it to become extinct. So why is it become so successful? So the first of all, they have a large and keen eye spot to spot this predator. Their big compound eye contains of thousands of elements known as facets and allow it to see in every direction. This means that it has much more advanced eyesight than humans and its main predator, the hummingbirds, which can only see in perspective strike, only see in one direction. Furthermore, each of their retina composed 1,000 photoreceptors to collect lights and send information about the visual scene to the interneurons to further process the information. Second thing is they have long legs and jaws. When catching the prey, their long forelegs will curve up to trap the prey, and at the same time, the hinge jaw clamps down the prey to immobilize it. Most important is their wings very long and light. Its wing can work independently or allow it to maneuver itself and in all directions and fly like a mid-air helicopter. And their wings function similar like the solar panel, where they can collect the sunlight used for the thermal retention to cope with the winter weather or cooling during the summer time. According to an article on small website, it stated that the giant dino can fly at the top speed with 29 km/h, so it's very fast. It can fly away from its predator. With the advanced developed wings, they can also migrate to a new habitat with lesser predator and enriched resource. That's all from my sharing. Thank you very much.